CSS hacks 14 websites to make your life easier. The following are the top 14 websites to make your life easier as a front-end developer. 1. CSS buttons. Streamline button design with CSS buttons. Explore a variety of easily customizable styles and accompanying CSS code for efficient work. 2. Neumorphism.io. Enhance your design using Neumorphism or Soft UI to effortlessly craft neumorphic elements mirroring real-life objects. Access the CSS code to transform your elements into visually appealing tactile experiences. 3. CSS Strips Generator. Enhance your designs effortlessly with CSS Stripes Generator, creating visually appealing striped backgrounds to add sophistication to your projects. 4. Get Waves. Enhance your website's visual appeal using Get Waves, a powerful tool for crafting captivating SVG wave patterns. Infuse a dynamic touch into your design for a lasting impression. 5. Can I use? Ensure optimal performance across various browsers by staying updated on CSS browser compatibility. Utilize Can I Use to access the latest browser support tables. Keep your code current for seamless functionality. 6. Color Space. Choosing the ideal color palette is essential for an attractive website. Color Space helps you find perfect colors effortlessly with a simple color input. 7. CSS Grid Generator. CSS Grid Generator is an excellent tool for crafting intricate grid layouts and generating the corresponding CSS code. 8. BEM Cheat Sheet. Utilize BEM Cheat Sheet as a swift reference for BEM naming conventions. 9. BlobMaker. BlobMaker generates customizable SVG blobs for use in backgrounds, illustrations, or other graphical elements. 10. CSS Gradient Generator. CSS Gradient Generator effortlessly crafts intricate CSS gradients and supplies the corresponding CSS code. 11. Animate.css. Animate.css offers an extensive array of pre-made animations for seamless integration into your project. 12. Glassmorphism. Glassmorphism allows you to create glass-like elements, tailoring transparency, blur, and color for the sought-after frosted glass look. 13. Clippy CSS Clip Path Maker. Clippy CSS Clip Path Maker enables easy creation of intricate shapes. 14. CSS Validator. CSS Validator ensures your CSS code adheres to web standards. W3C's CSS Validator examines your style sheets, identifying errors in code structure and verifying compliance with CSS standards. Happy coding! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.